Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bopperai Engineers. Today we discuss about PLC operated star delta starter ladder logic program. In previous video we discuss about its power and control wiring circuit. First we make input-output list regarding the circuit. In input card X0 main contactor feedback, X1 delta contactor feedback, X2 star contactor feedback, X3 start command, X4 stop command, X5 overload relay NC point. In output module Y0 main contactor coil, Y1 delta contactor coil, Y2 star contactor coil. Next move to its programming. First we make holding circuit, interlock with overload relay. In hard wiring we use NC point of overload relay and stop push button. So we use its NO block in program. In next step we make a timer command for switching from star to delta. After that we make lots of interlock for star contactor coil output. Interlock for ensure that delta contactor remain off when we operate star contactor. We use delta contactor and timer NC point in series with star contactor output. From star contactor feedback we operate main contactor coil. We also make holding for main contactor output, because star contactor get off in few seconds. In last from timer contact delta contactor energized. Interlocks are very important in star delta starter. Delta contactor also interlock with star contactor NC points. Its working is like that, when we press start push button memory bit get hold. After that star contactor and timer get operate. Main contactor get operate after receive feedback from star contactor. When timer reach to its set value, star contactor will stop and delta get energized. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more technical updates.